Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
If I access this execution log, REST web services do not show me anything. Invalid login attempt. Let's let this correct. Let's let it be a correct. Authentication isn't getting successful. Did I miss anything? Thing token based. This is what we do. Did I miss anything? Let me know this quickly. Trying to do we have to be okay. Is there anything else we need to put in the header or body? No. So what is prerequest script? Sorry. No prerequest script. If there is anything you want to run before calling this, you can put some. See, we can put some custom body also. We can put some extra additional script logic if there is needed. So we are not coming. We are not even going to that level. We just testing a basic thing. So what is authorization? That's weird. That has never happened. Okay. Okay, I think it is one thing which okay. Yeah, go to perms. Also the authorization. Yeah, from this. Add authorization data to drop down right select request headers. Now click send. It is working. Can you see in these token values if it is by any chance you have an additional space or anything? Okay, we can check again. So I'm just fine. I'm talking about the token. These token value. Yeah. Okay, they have an additional space or anything. There is no space. No space here. No space here. I can do a delete just to make sure. Again. This is fine. Account ID version is fine. Can you check this? Checkboxes also. We had second one, also at empty parameters. Click on send. 404 not found. Valid scriptlet ID. This is very visible to know. No. Same error in this video. Really? What is working fine? Yeah, it is there. It is deployed and it is active, and I am able to access it. I am getting the data also in the response. With the same thing. If I copy it here and try a JSON. Okay, we have shared the same token, same URL. Scroll down. Scroll down on the authorization only. Authorization only. Uncheck this. Add empty parameters to signature. Uncheck and try now. Why are you giving me a 404? It is working fine for me. From this drop down on left side, you have on the left side. This is request. Headers only selected. Add authorization data to request headers. Second option. Second option. Yeah. That is the thing you have selected. Wow. So where is this invalid script ID? Scriptlet ID. So maybe we should just check that. So here it is all good, right? Execution logs. There are no execution logs also. Script ID, yeah. Script ID 4225. Deploy 1. Record type as customer with average of small. And ID is 8895. Record type, customer 8895. In headers, I have added content type JSON. You also have same thing, right? Yeah. Body. There's nothing. Anything in setting. Yeah. No. Yeah. So this is it. There is nothing else. Let me try post also from my end. Record type customer. Because URL is correct. Click on the URL. Click on. I already checked this. 4225 and 8895. So after this, deploy equals to 1. Is there an extra space or anything? No, right? Can you try now? Click send. This 200 is okay, right? Yeah. But we got the data in this format, which I don't think is JSON. What we are returning is JSON. Stringify. Okay. Now the skip part is fine. This is the format. We are returning it. It should be in JSON, by the way.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.